freezing.
Connor, come here.
No. Oh, you giving up? You've been playing this for 20 minutes. Here's Randa.
One more time, guys. Last time, Connor.
Yay.
Last time.
Yay.
Come here, Connor. Last time. Come here. Closer.
Run, Randa, run! Oh, Connor, you're frozen.
Nope. Good job, guys.
You want to do it again? You didn't want to do it at all. Uh-oh.
Good job, Miranda. When it gets really warm, we can do it again, okay?
Know what, Miranda? We're going to get a sprinkler.
We've got a sprinkler somewhere. We'll have to find it. Okay?
Say bye to the cameras. Miranda, Connor. Connor, say bye-bye.